Okay, we have done consumer mathematics, we have done taxation, we have done insurance. We did insurance on health. Now we're going to look at insurance on motor. This motor can be car, can be motorbike. Okay, so we look at the motor insurance. This is the theory part that you need to know. So when you are free, please go through this. I will upload this into the module. This is something called theory that we need to do. So I go straight away to the part called calculation. In order for us to do the calculation, this is the table. So during your exam, the table will be provided at the back of the question paper. So you're able to get access to the table and use that for calculation. Okay, this is just based on 2015. So it changes based every year sometimes based on our government policy. So let's look at how it goes in a simple example. Let's look at this. Encik Ramli owns and uses a Proton Exora 1.6. The car, the sum to be insured, age of the car, engine capacity, and the NCD. NCD is discount given from the premium for him. So let's go on this. We are going to look at the calculation under the third party comprehensive policy, third party fire and theft policy, as well as the third party policy. So let's look at one by one. Okay, example for comprehensive policy. Okay, for the first 1305.5, you can see that because his car is 1601.6 is equivalent to 1600 cc. So for the first 1305.5. Okay, now this is 26 over 59. How do I get this 26 times 59? This 26 times 59 is number 1, 60,000 for the sum of insured minus of, alright, 1,000 divided by, why did I minus of 1,000? Because I've already covered for the first 1,000. So that is the one that was actually deleted out from here, my dear students. So I divide by 1,000, I get 59. So 59 times 26 for each 1,000 balance. This is the premium I calculated. Alright, this is what we do. How do you know it's 26, sir? It's already given here clearly in our insurance notes here. If you check, that's the notes 26 for each premium 1,000 part thereof or a value exceeding, provided he is in Peninsular Malaysia. Okay, so that is how we calculated this amount, which is called 1530. So 1600 cc for the first 1000 calculation comes from here. You can see it very clearly. This is for the first 1000 under comprehensive policy. Then I went to the balance. So he wants to insure how much? 60,000. You can see it. He wants to insure that 60,000. You can see that very clearly. So minus of 1000 divided by that, I got 59. 59 times 26, I got the premium for the balance. So this is the total premium payable by Encik Ramli. NCD was 25%. NCD is discount. So 0.25 of 8, I got this. So this is the gross premium that is going to be paid by Mr. Ramli. Now we come to this word called third party fire and theft policy. So I took the 1379 for this called the gross premium. I calculated 25% from there. Why did I calculate 25% from there? Because the premium has got what we call a NCD of 25% for that also. Minus of that, he has to pay gross premium of this. For the third party policy, what is this going to be? The basic premium as normal is going to be 135. Can you see this? I calculated. So the balance 25%. So minus of, this is the thing that he needs to pay as a premium. I know, sir, it's a bit too much for us. Is there any way for us to understand better? Not to worry. I will upload extra videos for you. Alright?